ADC, Jonka East Giant Hills District, War Marang, Mendagasi, will play paidbah Yakayo Detiar, Ne ka trade fair, ha Khliehriat East, Yakani kayo la one rabat penbit penbiang do ba, a joy nong to do, but Giborsh nong Jonka Khliehriat East. Habakren kumukong san, War Marang, ula ay ka jingkit pok kitwiang, Yakibak penyat, Yakani ka trade fair, but ongru, bakani ka day ka lad, yaki paidbah ka than, bakin yo yaki tiar gitar, but kani ka trade fair, but ban kintil, ya ka khayi pateng ha ka than. Uba a joy nong to do, ula kuble, yo kong san, ban uai kuble ru yo secretary shinong, ubale don ring card but kum ju ru, uwahe shinong Khliehriat East, kibala ai ka jingitre lang, but hakaba one rai ka nika trade fair haposh nong Khliehriat East. Uba a joy nong to do, ule thoru ba ka nika trade fair ka ne hadu ka laipo tarek mentau banai jemang arajar arpasan, but kiba one bandi yaki tiar gitar hakani ka yo ki day kiba one na Delhi na Rajasthan but na kiwe ki Jaka. Kumjuru u secretary nong Khliehriat East uba Aladdin Lingdo ula ai ka jingkit pok kirwiang but kani ka trade fair kanya chakman ha ka badi ya gitiar gitar.
Tengah ekubule yo chief guest le wanu ye ne wa ka kani ka trade fair ne ani Khliehriat ini te naliang yo nga te dapat tehi beli cibon te chwau ye tengah ekubule no secretary nong uklang chicken ten agaten
to report sa menwa yo wan ini yo wai di trade fair te kermeni naliang chnong bang trade fair ko yo nong yo ni ko job balle i woro em jini sa thanjini yo jimutoy ham tami tiar to bhaw miak yo em kami haju semang i bari ku Desember kam ter jing em kam yo ka paidbah sa sini thanyong i to ku sini.
It's a privilege and honor for me to inaugurate this trade fair on behalf of the district administration and DC. So this trade fairs organized by this, headmen, village headmen and merchants association from this Khliehriat. So these trade fairs are an opportunity for the population of the area to get to see the internationally renowned products, and such organization of such trade fairs it will boost our local commerce, general commerce. So I wish this trade fair a success. Thank you.
भाई ऊपर नीचे होते हैं तो गर्म तो हो ही जाएगा।